I just purchased this Bonson Kitchen vacuum sealer bags, and it's a 2-pack. They measure 8 inches by 50 feet each roll. How awesome is that? So let's open it up and let's vacuum seal some food. Oh, this feels really nice. It's smooth on one side and it's textured on the other. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. This is the smooth side. That is the textured side. What I really like about this, it's in a roll, so you're able to cut it to your desired length. And you can either use scissors, or you can also just use your vacuum sealer machine if it has that option for a cutter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably do about this much of a length and then do just like that. There you go. There's our first one. And there's our second. Perfect. And now I'm going to use that sticker and put it on just like that. Since we have them cut, that means that they are open on either side, correct? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and I'm going to seal each side first. So I'm going to put it in the vacuum sealer, push on both sides, and then right now I'm just going to seal. Perfect. And now the bag is sealed, just like that. And we're going to repeat this step for the other bags. You know, this way it's very cost effective and you're able to buy food in bulk and save lots of money. And I like to use this for ground beef, cheese, and even sometimes fruits and vegetables too. Perfect. And now I'm going to transfer the ground beef into the bags. And now I have all the ground beef inside the bags. And now we are going to vacuum seal. So the first time I just sealed it, but now the second time I'm going to vacuum seal it because that's going to suck out all the air that's inside it. After it's done vacuuming, then it does a second seal. Just like that. Then we open it up. And there you go. And let me show you a close-up of how nicely it sealed it. So look at that. It is nice and vacuumed sealed. Perfect. And now let's do the second one. Vacuum sealing is really good because it keeps your food longer in the fridge or the freezer too. And you can also use it to make sous vide or boil or even microwave your food afterwards. So it's really perfect, depending on what your food dish is. And this is also great for meal prepping as well. You can make some dishes and put it in here like a casserole dish, and then you can have it for later use. Or you can just cut it up into smaller pieces and perfect for meal prep. And then you can make your casserole for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. And just like that, within a few minutes, you're able to vacuum seal all your food. And now we're able to put this in the freezer to use at a later date. How perfect is that? Definitely recommend getting these vacuum sealer bags and of course a vacuum sealer machine. It's a must-have in our household. We use it all the time. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.